Any repairs that need to be made to this unit, the unit will have to be taken out from the wall. Remove the mounting screws to remove it. Everything that comes apart on the unit will use a T10 Torx. To gain access to the top, remove the Torx screws from the top, the sides, and the rear. Air is brought into the unit from the back through the blower assembly. It's blown across the high voltage system, through the magnetron fins, diverted down the shield underneath the component base plate, and then into the microwave cavity. The door interlock switches are also accessible from the top. They are on a bracket with slides that move back and forth as the door opens and closes. The interlock switches are activated by actuators near the top of the door. The door interlock actuators cannot move unless mechanically actuated by the door being closed completely. It's a safety feature. The actuator on the hinge is riveted onto the door. We'll take the side panel off so you can see the mechanism working. Here we see the mechanism connected to a rod going up to the upper right interlock switches. Here we show the rivet that we were speaking of earlier. This cannot be a nut and bolt because we do not want the customer to remove that. If they do, they could actuate the switches with the door open. So for safety reasons, that has to remain a rivet. You can see the bar as the door opens and closes move up and move down to actuate the upper right interlock switches. A closer view of the upper interlock switches shows the locking mechanism. When the door is open, the switches are locked so they cannot be activated. When the door is closed, the arm can move, opening and closing the switches. Door open.